Great posture helps you avoid injuries and stay strong and flexible. But poor posture sets you up for weak muscles, arthritis, back pain, fatigue, headaches, and even a pot belly. Do a quick self-evaluation right now. How's your posture? Are you sitting or even standing up straight and tall? Are you slouching? Be honest, because your posture has a big impact on your overall health. Great posture helps you avoid injuries and stay strong and flexible. But poor posture sets you up for weak muscles, arthritis, back pain, fatigue, headaches, and even a pot belly. Here's some tips if your posture needs an overhaul. Hold your head up straight. Don't jut out your chin. Keep your shoulders down and shoulder blades back. Stretch the top of your head towards the ceiling. Tuck in your stomach. While standing, keep your weight centered. Don't slide your hip bones or pelvis forward or backward. When sitting, plant your feet on the floor, knees bent at right angles and even width or slightly higher than your hips. Let your lower back curve naturally and don't collapse your weight on one hip. Good posture takes practice, especially if you've been slouching, but it's worth it.